I'm Stephi Maron, and I am the founder of Blushington, and I'm so excited to be here with my friend, Ashley Tisdale.
Hi.
You may know her as an actress, a producer, a singer, a dog mom.
A dog mom.
A wife, and
Yes.
so much more. But now she is her own beauty boss. Founded and created Illuminate Cosmetics. Tell us a little bit of the palette that you're using today.
Yes, I'm using the Night Goddess because I am doing a night look.
Okay.
So mine's a little bit more, smoky.
Yeah.
This is what I would do for like a date night. So it's the Night Goddess palette.
Night Goddess palette.
And it's the Tokyo liquid lipstick.
And then I'm using the Beach Goddess.
Yes.
Which is my favorite.
My favorite too. I do love a Night Goddess though too.
It's
good.
really pretty.
They're both
And
good.
this is like more of a warm, color palette, more cool color palette.
Yes.
And then I'm wearing London for my lips.
And we have some exciting news, but we're not going to tell you yet because you have to watch our tutorial. But it's coming soon, so stay tuned and we'll show you how to achieve this right now.
Let's go.
So how do you usually start? Like, do you do the crease first or the lid?
I usually do the crease first.
Yeah, me too. I think
You
that's
do?
the normal thing.
Okay, that's the normal thing. So I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Cabo.
Nice.
Just to sort of start with a little base.
I'm actually using Animal. This nice little purple.
Ooh, you're going right in.
I'm going right in.
Okay.
What I love about it is that it's buildable. So you can, do a more natural look or you can just keep building the color.
You could really apply your full face just using this palette.
Yeah, because there's a blush, contour, and a highlighter.
And you can use these. I love using bronzer, which I'm using the Seashells as her bronzer on my eyelid just to sort of give a nice little crease, especially because I have like sunken in small eyes. So I feel like creating that crease really makes it pop. Okay, now, I don't know. Where should I go in? Such pretty colors.
No, I'm like, okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go in now. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use a little bit of the Maui.
Okay.
I gotta have a little bit of the Maui.
I wonder what that's named after.
And then, so what tips and tricks do you have using this palette that you feel like everyone should know about?
I mean, I created it for, the girl on the go.
Mm-hmm.
I love that it has everything you need in one. I'm using, just so you guys know, I'm using Dangerous, which is the highlighter on my lid right now.
Oh, pretty. I'm using a little bit of the Bora Bora now.
Oh yeah, that's a good
Gold.
color.
So pretty.
Yeah, when I created it, I was just like, I really wanted something a little bit more curated, and there's tons of times where I'll get ready, but it's like I don't have a lot of time to get ready,
Right.
and then I'll like have a meeting all day, and then I'm like, oh, and then I have this dinner, so it's like having a palette that has everything you can, like, just to even keep building to go out at night is just like exactly what I was doing.
Exactly.
When I created it, and it's just like, I think for me, it's just I love being able to, there's times where I told you that with the Beach Goddess palette, I was on vacation and my eyebrow pencil broke and it was just like done for, and I was so upset. And, we all know eyebrows are a huge thing. Like if you don't have eyebrows, your makeup's
You're done.
So I used the darkest shadow in that palette for my eyebrows, and I just took like this little Illuminate brush, and then I just like used the dark, and then I just like kind of put it in my, and it like looked perfect.
I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna
it's just like,
do a little bit of a
little DIY
brow.
tricks.
And you can use, I love how you can use the highlighter, and even you can use the blush as an eyeshadow. You literally can do a full face just using your palette, which is amazing. And then all you need to do is just top it off with your lip color.
Exactly.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with St. Bart's. This is such a pretty color.
I'm going in with Nocturnal, which is this color.
I'm just sort of blending it through. Pretty. And then I think I'm gonna go in with Barbados for the eyeliner. And I love going in between my lashes. Mm-hmm. So what made you want to start a beauty brand?
Well, I have always been a lover of makeup. There's so many times where I'm like getting ready for an event, and if it's like a movie that I'm not in or just like some party that I like really want to go to, I'll just do my makeup myself.
Right. Do you do your makeup yourself a lot?
Oh yeah. I mean, unless it's something like crazy important, I just know that I'm like gonna have a little bit of anxiety about it, I'll like be able to just like sit there and like get it done.
Right.
But most of the time, like to be honest, there's times where I have a lot of anxiety going to events, and doing my own makeup makes me feel more like in control of like everything. I don't feel so like there's so much pressure before going out. But yeah, so I think that like over the years of doing that, there were so many times where fans would ask me like what I used for my cat eye and like what makeup I was doing. And then I also saw that like there were a lot of celebrity makeup lines, but they weren't affordable. Yeah. And I just didn't understand that. And so I'm like, you know, I really wanted something where my fans could afford the makeup that I was using. So
totally,
you know,
I think really it's so smart, and I think that the price point is genius. Thanks. Because the quality of your products is there, and it's amazing, and the pigments, and you can use this wet or dry.
I'm putting on Animal underneath my eye right now. I always love a little smoky eye. Now I'm putting on Nocturnal underneath my eye as well.
I'm just gonna go in with just a little bit of the bronzer, a little bit of the Fiji.
I'm doing a little bit of Wild Child in my corner.
I think I'm gonna do a little bit more of a drop down shadow. So I'm gonna go in with Barbados.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my cat eye.
I always try to think of like, what's one product that you can't live without from your line?
Ooh, I would say it has to be the Beach Goddess palette. It's just like a favorite of mine.
The colors are so universal.
Yeah.
That I feel like it works on every eye color.
Yeah.
Everybody.
When you're doing the liner, you're like super serious. You're just like,
same with my mascara. You get really serious. Yeah. And then it's always so funny to see everybody's look when they're applying mascara.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Has a look. I try to work on it, but
it's like
mine is,
you're really trying to get it. Yeah.
So I'm gonna go in and just use a little bit of the Barbados and actually a little bit of the Aruba, just to make it a little bit softer. I'm gonna go in just to sort of define my brows, and I'm just gonna go and do the end part because I like right in here in the front to be super fluffy and natural, but the ends to be a little bit more defined. I'm literally gonna take this palette while I go to New York, so that in between cab rides.
Yeah, you could just.
I'm good.
That's amazing.
I'll be good to go.
You'll be illuminating.
Oh, I'll be illuminating.
You'll be illuminating. That's the other thing too, is like when I created Illuminate, I just felt like, for me, I feel like makeup is supposed to illuminate you.
Yes.
And not supposed to like cover your face so much. And I feel like there's obviously the trend of doing a lot of makeup, but what I love about this is just like, you know, for me, I'm like, I feel like you're beautiful just the way you are. Totally. And makeup is supposed to just like kind of give you that extra little confidence, but it shouldn't be like you're a totally different person. So that's really the girl who I had in mind when creating.
And that's so, you know, in line with Blushington and what we do. It's building that confidence. You know, you have the confidence from within, but it's building that. And when women come in, you know, you can see that they're a little slouched over. They've got something already going on throughout the day, but when they sit in our chairs and then, you know, our makeup artists start doing their makeup and they start to really, you know, here it's very customized. So it's whatever look you want to achieve. Yeah. You know, you tell the artist what you like, what you don't like. So it's very much customized, but it's finding that natural everyday look and what works for you and what that look is on you. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and just finish my eyes. I'm just gonna do a little bit of Fiji into the inner corner.
I am going in with highlighter. I forgot to put this on. I usually do this first, but I am just going to put it underneath my brow. I mean, and this I honestly don't do for like, you know, my day look. This is only if I'm like really trying.
Going out on the town.
Going out on the town and want like your brow bone to look really clean.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go in now with some mascara. I think I spend more time putting mascara on than anything else.
I know. I do this like thing when I do my lashes. I do mascara first, and then I put the lashes on, and then I curl them. So our lashes are sold out, and it's my favorite.
I'm so sad that your lashes are sold out.
They're so good.
But hopefully you will.
Yes, in the future.
Maybe she'll come out with
some more.
So I'm so excited because everyone will be able to now use and try these curated selection of products from you at Blushington. They can come in and try them, and it's limited edition. We're only going to have this for a limited time, exclusive to Blushington, where you can come in, try these products with our makeup artist, and you can also purchase them on our e-commerce site. And then something bigger is going to come, so stay tuned for that. We're really excited.
I'm so excited.
And you're going to come out with different products.
Yes, different products. It's been so fun and scary at the same time owning your own company. I'm sure you know.
Yes, it's not easy.
It's not easy. It's so crazy. But it's like, it's so awesome.
But it's also so rewarding.
Yeah, it's rewarding. Like, I remember I was doing a pilot for CBS this last year, and I had some fans in the audience, and they came over and they had the palettes, and they were like, can you please sign my palette? And I was like, that is the coolest thing ever. And I was like so excited, because it's one thing to act in something. It's one thing to produce something. It's like I'm acting out someone else's words. I'm producing someone else's idea. But like this is all me. And so it's just like so cool to like, you know, it's like your baby. You know? You're like, whoa.
You're now a beauty boss.
I know, it's so crazy.
So, you know, the fact that you've done, you're an actress, you're a singer, you're a producer, you're a wife.
Yeah.
You're a mother.
A dog mom.
You're a dog mom.
Yes.
I mean, you do so many things, and you're doing so much more. And now that you have your own beauty brand.
I know. It's pretty crazy. It's awesome. It's also like we've been friends for a while, and we keep talking. Like we were always talking about this, and it's like here now. It's so exciting.
We've been talking about this for a long time, and now it's finally here. And I am so excited because Ashley is the nicest person, the most humble person.
You're so sweet.
And that's why we get along so well, because it's not about your fame. It's not about, you know, it's your soul. And she has such a good soul. And so I'm really excited that all of her, you know, like her love is in this palette and in these best sellers that you have. And I'm really excited what's to come. She showed me some pictures, you guys. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna go in now with a little bit of bronzer. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of the seashells. Oh, this is really pretty.
Thanks.
It's really soft. And I like that it's warm.
Okay. I'm using the blush.
I'm gonna go in the blush. I'm gonna go in with the highlighter first.
I'm like so done up though compared to you. This is the night look, okay guys?
Yeah,
just
this
remember,
is the night look.
This
is
the
daytime, nighttime. Literally, I'm like glowing. I'm a goddess. There you go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh! Hey.
Looking good.
Looking good. Okay, lips. Okay, so what color are you using?
I'm using Tokyo.
You're
That's
using
my liquid
Tokyo.
Lips.
And I'm using London. And this is going to stay all day?
Uh-huh. It does not come off. But it also doesn't make your lips wrinkly or anything.
Okay.
All right.
Done. Wait,
yes.
Okay, wait, let me see you. Ooh, you look so good.
You look good too. I love it.
This is a really good nighttime, evening.
Yes,
look.
Evening.
Daytime. Mm-hmm. I really like it.
So glad.
I'm so excited. You guys, we just did a full, basically a full face using these two palettes, these lipsticks that stay all day. And again, you can get these at Blushington this fall.
So excited.
So excited. And you can literally come in, experience it for yourself, experience the products, find your look.
Yeah.
Find the look that makes you feel the most confident. And honestly, find a daytime and a nighttime look for you. And just using these curated products, it's all you need. So now you can get her bestsellers at Blushington, online and in stores. And we're so excited to have you and have your brand.
I'm so excited to be at Blushington.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay.
That's awesome.
Great job.